So Santa's working on the wish list, the things that people want from him this Christmas. And it made me think, what is it that supervisors should be paying attention to that their employees want their supervisor to give them for this holiday season? And not only that, but a gift that keeps on giving throughout the year. I think there are 3 things that are on most employees' wish list that they wish their manager or their supervisor would deliver consistently. Number 1 is, bring me a leader who is positive. You know, people spend a lot of time at work, and working for a leader who's always negative and critical, it starts to wear on people during the season. So why not give them the gift of positive leadership? That'll lift their spirits up, not only during the holidays, but also in the year ahead. The second thing on their wish list from Santa this year is to bring me a leader who empowers me. People are looking to be empowered for the most part. They want more challenge and more responsibility. And even though many supervisors think my team doesn't seem to want more responsibility, they do. They want the freedom to grow and to develop. And that brings us to the third thing that they wish their supervisor would bring them, and that is the chance to grow and get better at what they do. Really, people want this sense of mastery. They want to get good at things because it gives them a sense of pride, and it's also recognized and acknowledged by other people. So can you be the type of leader that delivers the gift of learning and the gift of growth this holiday season? And when you've got all that figured out, of course, we want to be your partners in the year ahead on leadership excellence. And Santa, I know you've got a lot of work to do, and I hope that you can make some of these employee dreams come true. And from all of our team at Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems, including our studio team, all of our Zoom hosts, all of our instructors and admin people, all of the folks that bring you these leader feeders every week, we just want to wish you and your family and friends a happy and safe, prosperous holiday, and of course, a great year ahead.